Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my review on Episoft Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This product was recommended for me by my dermatologist. This one is specially meant for acne prone skin. It is non-comedogenic and a lightweight formula. This product does not contain any parabens and fragrance, so it is great for sensitive skin people. This moisturizer is a 75-gram product and it costs 440 rupees. You can see this product comes in a white color plastic tube with a flip-flop cap. Let me show you the consistency of this product. This moisturizer is white in color with medium thickness. As mentioned on the tube, it does not have any fragrance, so it is good for sensitive and irritated skin. This one blends very easily and absorbs quickly. After applying this skin, it makes your skin so soft and hydrated. It is really good for dry skin people as well. You should apply this after washing your face. It also contains SPF 30, so it protects us from harmful UV rays. This moisturizer makes your skin so soft and smooth. This product does not clog pores, so it is good for acne prone skin. Even oily skin people can try this product. It is really great. As it is a lightweight formula, it does not make your skin heavy. People who are suffering with acne can try this product because it does not clog their pores, and also it does not contain any irritants. So if you have any skin rashes or sunburns, then you can try this product. You can use this moisturizer in any season. Even in summers you can use this. It does not make your skin look oily. Always remember, do not apply any kind of product on broken or damaged skin. So friends, overall this product is really great. It is suitable for all skin types. People who don't like to use heavy creams can try this formula. Even though it is not heavy, it makes your skin so soft, smooth and glowing. By using this regularly, it also heals dry skin. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.